How to block no caller ID on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. Within the Phone Settings, you can manage features like call blocking, call forwarding, and voicemail options. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down and go to Silence Unknown Callers. Over here, turn on this option. When it is turned on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on the Recents list. Following these steps, you can easily block no caller ID on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.